Hi, I'm John Newland, and did you know 3 billion people die of car accidents a year? And over 1/90th of those people die because they aren't wearing a seatbelt. This person died because they didn't wear a seatbelt. Seatbelts will protect you 100% of the time. Just look at this dramatization.
Yeah, I just went ahead and killed her. Yeah, but, oh God! Yeah, my car just burst into flames. Yeah.
5 minutes later.
Oh yeah, Tina is hot, isn't she? Oh yeah, the fire's starting to spread. I better get out of here. It's stuck! It's stuck!
Well, the seatbelt can save you in other scenarios, like...
Come on! Come on!
Give me the car! Give me the car!
My seatbelt's broken! It's jammed! It's jammed!
Now you know how safe seatbelts are. And remember, click it or ticket.